Hi guys, welcome to Hashtag Reviews. In this festive season, nothing users can make the festive season even better as Nothing has released its beta version of Nothing OS 4.0 which is based on Android 16, and this is Nothing Phone 2, and I have installed the beta version of Nothing OS 4. Side by side, I also have this Nothing Phone 3A, which is still the older version Nothing OS 3. Let's see what are the new things which we are getting in this Nothing OS 4, which is based on Android 16. First thing they say, it's updated system to Android 16 beta. Let's see, go to settings and about phone, Nothing OS 4.0, and this is based on Android 16. Now let's move on. Pop-up view now supports two floating icons for easier switching. Before that, let's look at how the floating windows looks like in older version. Let me open Chrome. When we say pop-up, it's pop here and it is one. Then let me open another window. I'll make it pop up, then it replaces the older one. It doesn't keep both the floating windows. In Android 16, let me open this one, Chrome. Let me put that in a pop-up window. Let me pull up another and pop-up window. I see there is an icon which is a floating icon which I can easily switch in between. Let's see how many it keeps. Let me open another. This also I'll keep it. Yeah, floating window 1, and I can switch between 3, maximum 3 I guess, because they mentioned 2 floating reserve. So let me open any other, let's say Google Meet. When I pull up, yeah, so it replaces the first one, so which means that at a time we can switch among 3 apps. Add a 2 new lock screen clock faces. Let's pull up the old one. Let me close all these things. Lock, long press, customize, and same, 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 and same. Till here, both the clocks faces are same. In the older version, in Nothing Phone 3A, there are it's the final one. Here I can see 2 more dots. Let's scroll. This is a thicker one and this is a thinner one. They have added 2 more new lock screen clock faces. 2 into 2 size is now supported for most quick setting tiles. Let's me open the quick settings and let's see what they mention. Let me edit. When I click this one, this either it's an icon, it's a horizontal one, but here I can see icon horizontal and 2 by 2 also here I see. Similarly for this, let me, I can make a horizontal one. Let me pull up here and yeah, either I can make icon or a horizontal with the icon and text. Here let me put this one here. Okay, yeah, now almost every quick setting icons have this 2 by 2 grid. Let's go back to our screenshot. Extra mode is now available, bringing a more immersive dark style. Let's go back to dark mode, long press and long press. Yeah, here I see extra dark mode, extra darkness for better contrast. If I switch on this, oh nice, very nice. So if you could see the theme get even bit darker, and this shadows background is not a dark It's still a dark gray, it's not black, but the contrast is very very good. If I open settings, it's, I feel this is really really nice. I think I'm going to keep this extra dark mode. See how contrast, and it's the fonts are very very clear. I like this update. System upgrade supports app optimization to improve startup speed. Settings, apps optimization, settings, apps. Yeah, here I see app optimization. When you click, it's already 100% optimization, and the button is also disabled. Maybe after using some time, then if the nothing OS feels that it needs an optimization, maybe it will enable this button. Moving on, introduce the new stretch preset created in collaboration with the photographer Jordan Hemingway, offering rich shadows and extended highlights of a distinctive look. As I mentioned, rich shadows and extended highlights. For that, let's do something, and I'll switch off this light and let's see how the shadows will look like in a darker mode in a second. Now I have switched off the light. I think this is looking very good. I think I can continue with this. I think I need to change my camera angle. Yeah, I have made some angle adjustment. Let me. So this is a normal without any filters, and I am changing to 2x. I'll tell you why I am changing this to 2x. Let me take a photo of this guy. Let me put this guy in corner. Okay. Now I am switching back to 1x. Now I'll apply the new filter which says stretch. Now you can see this one is enabled. Now the moment I switch it to stretch, it automatically zoomed it from 1x to 2x. That is the reason I just wanted to compare both without filter and with filter. So I have taken that in 2x. Now if you look at, it's more contrasty and shadows are clearly visible. Let me take this guy first. Okay. If you compare these two, this is with stretch, which is Jordan Hemingway kind. It's their style, and this is a normal one. So I feel yes, it is a bit darker and shadows are more visible. Yeah, I feel this is also a very good picture. You can see the clarity. Nothing OS means it kills super. I think that's the new stretch filter. I think let's go back to our previous angle. We are back, and let me continue with the updates. Essential apps creation is now available. Combine your ideas. Yeah. Playground. Come to experience unique creations from the community. So this is what they say is they have created a playground. Let's see what this is. I had just a little research on this, and you can say playground.nothing.tech, then you will end up landing here, and here they say essential apps and big eyes Carl P. I don't know what it does. Big eyes, that's it. Let's install this one, which is from Carl P. This icon, this widget. Let me download this. This blink icon. This does nothing, just a blink icon. It's a live thing. Let's look more into this essential apps. Let's go back, install something else. So it's a ready-made, ready available app, or you can play with. And there was something app also like a snake app, something similar to like this one. So that's all about nothing OS 4.0 Android 16 version, but some of the features I really liked it. Uh, first thing is extra mode, which are really light, and floating icons, it's also an awesome. And regarding to software experience, it's still the same. I didn't see any other changes whenever I have navigated to any things, and everything remains the same. I don't think they are going to do any major changes in the OS, but smoothness, everything is fantastic. This is nothing 4.0 and Android 16. Thanks for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below whether you have tried this Nothing OS beta version. Let me know your thoughts on this. Thanks for watching.